Hi everybody. Once again, my name is Byron Bullock and I'm here today to go over another lesson about smooth jazz scat guitar techniques. On the last video, we went over scatting along with an A minor scale and kind of mixing that up a little bit. Today we're going to do something just a little bit different because I want to show you guys some chords and some scales that I use and arpeggios and some stuff like that so you can move around the guitar and do it freely without giving it any thought. I have to think about, reasoning or whatever like that. And we're not going to allow you to go that direction because then it interferes with your soloing, okay? So if you guys are ready to get started, let's go. Okay, I'm back, guys. Now, I want to show you a series of chords and some arpeggios and some scales, including a little bit of chromatics so you guys can be able to flow on the guitar real comfortably with your solos, okay? Let me just show you the chords that I want you guys to get down. And they all related to each other. They're like cousins, aunts and uncles and stuff. So they're gonna flow together. The first chord is the C major 7. Since we're gonna stay in the key of A minor, okay? The C major 7, the A minor 7, the second position on the C major 7, and the A minor 9th. And this is a real jazzy chord, the A minor 9th. A lot of jazz cats play this chord, man. And then the first position, again, would be the C major 7. So now I'm going to show you the scales that go with those chords, and I'll show you how they work together, okay? C major 7, A minor 7, C major 7 again, and then we're going to go to the 9th. First position on a C again. Okay, now, how you flow with those are going to be C major 7, and you can play it any kind of way that you want. Okay, A minor. C major 7 again. Okay, the 9th. The first, C major 7. And you can either go with that, this. Okay, now I'm going to play a backing track to show you guys how now you can flow with those chords, those arpeggios, the scales, and I'm going to throw a few chromatics in there to show you how all of that's related and it could work together to give you some really tasty solos. Now, you don't have to scat with this out loud if you don't want to. Mentally, you can also scat along with this and be really, really smooth with it, because you may do something like this. So you can scat along with it, but in your mind you can do it as well. So you see where we're at? So you can do that either mentally or vocally, okay? So I'm gonna put this backing track on and play a little stuff with it, and I'll be right back, okay? See you guys in a second. Okay, guys, this is the end of our session today, and I want you to take those chords, the major 7, the 7th, the major 7th, second position, the 9th chord, and the major 7th on the first position again. And just work those skills into it until you feel really comfortable with it. And on the next lesson, then I'll show you how to work that in different keys, and basically the same thing, and just being real creative with your solos, okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like this channel, I hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys on the next channel, okay? On the next session.